Okay, so after this, let us start with this 12th question. So this is sine square x upon 1 plus cos x. Now, sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. First step is, you can write this as 1 minus cos square x. Now, numerator can be factorized further as 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. So cancel out the factor now. Now you left with integration of 1 minus cos x dx. First integrate them separately. So this is what you will get as the final answer. So the only thing is we are writing the sine square x as 1 minus cos square x. After that simple factorization, you left with this expression, split this and integrate. So next is number 8. This is 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So here apply a half angle formulas. Straight away apply a half angle formulas. This can be written as 2 sine square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we left with tan square x by 2. So just by using half angle formulas, we can write this as 2 sine square x by 2. This can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. This will be written as tan square x by 2. Now, how to integrate this tan square x by 2? So you know that we have a direct integration for sec square. So let us convert this tan square x to sec square. We can rewrite this as sec square x by 2 minus 1. Now you can attach them into two parts and then you will integrate them separately. This is how I can write. Now just integrate them individually. So this will be tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus x plus c. Now why this is so? Because of those extension formulas which we had done. Sec square x by 2 is tan x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Further you can rewrite this as 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. This is how we can solve this 8th question. Note down this 8th question. So next we'll start with question number 16. So number 16 is how to integrate tan to the power 4x dx. First of all, you can write this as tan square x into tan square x. The first step, tan square x into tan square x. Now, one of the tan square x can be written in this manner, tan square x into sec square x minus 1. Now multiply it. So tan square x into sec square x minus tan square x. After this, detach this into two parts and then integrate. So one will be tan square x into sec square x dx and another is simply tan square x dx. Right? After this, for the first one, you will put tan x equal to t. So this can be settled down by substitution method. And for this can be written as sec square x minus 1 and then we can integrate. For this first part, I am putting tan x equal to t. So its derivative is sec square x dx that is equal to dt. So I can write this integral as t square dt. And this part can be written as sec square x minus 1. So finally, I will get this as t to the power 3 minus tan x plus c. At last, put the value of p, and you can leave your answer. So let me explain this once again. Tan to the power 4x dx, tan square into tan square. 1 of the tan square can be written as x square x minus 1. After that, we are just multiply them. Tan square x into sec square x minus tan square x. Detach them into two parts. First one can be done by substitution method. Just put tan x equal to t. Second, this can be written as sec square x minus 1. Integrate, put the value of t over here. That will give you the final answer. That's right. Okay, so next is number 2. In question number 2, this is the integration of sine 3x cos 4x dx. So how to integrate this type of expressions? Now here we had written that formula number 4 from class 11 trigonometry. So this can be written as first of all you will multiply and divide it by 2. So how we can write it? Now by using that formula number 4 which we have written, this expression can be written as sine a plus b, that is 7x plus sine a minus b. Okay, this is by that application of fourth formula which we had just written. It has us into two parts and then integrate them separately. You know that sine minus x is minus sine x. So just write down in that manner. So this is how we can write it. So just integrate sine 7x. So it will become 1 upon 2 cos 7x divided by 7. It is minus cos 7x upon 7. This is again because of extension formula. Here the role of a is being played by 7. So that is why upon 7 we had written. Here this can be written as 1 upon 2 cos x plus c. So it will become positive. So this will be your final answer. Minus 1 upon 14 cos 7x plus 1 upon 2 cos x plus c. This is how we can do question number 2. Similarly, you can do question number 7 and you can try question number 3 and 6 yourself. So in the next class, we will continue with this topic. We will do the remaining types of questions. That's it for today. Thank you.